Alright. Ready for this?
Y'all ready for this?
Hey you guys, it's me and
Christina.
And we're here to do Degustabox. Caleb's not in this because she's visiting and she's gonna do this with me. So she says that she can open this without a knife like Caleb, so here you go.
Okay.
Just don't hurt yourself, please. Okay, well that was easier said than done. Done then said. Said then done. Done then said. Anyway, this is for the month of March, you guys. We've got some coupons. Huh?
You just flung something that way.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
Okay, you guys. So look. Oh, this is nice. This has never been in here. Yes, it has. We got some coupons, and then this month for March is looks like breakfast, maybe some breakfast items.
That's cool.
That's pretty cool. So let's get into it. You pick it first, babe?
Yay. Okay. I'm gonna reach. Oh, there's actually two of these.
Yes.
Ooh, these are cool. Looks like a little waffle, kind of. This is a Julian's recipe. It's a Belgian pastry waffles made from authentic Liège recipe. I don't know, but they kind of come in a box of 4, but obviously they broke it up and we only got 2.
$4.99 for a box of 4. Let's try one.
Yeah.
So we can save the other one.
Okay.
I wonder
This one?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I'm excited. Does it smell like sugar at all? It smells like a pastry.
This stinks.
It smells like one of those pastries from like the bakery, like an actual pastry. Ooh, it stink.
Oh. It tastes very good. Oh.
Yeah, it says it has pearl sugar and sweet vanilla. That's good.
Oh.
But if you put that like in the toaster oven, that would taste really good.
Yeah. That's really good, actually.
It's tasty. Let's move these little thingies. Let's see what we. Oh, what is this? Oh. I don't think I'll be trying this because I'm not a big fan of Oreos. But this is the Oreo Knuckle bar. If you guys have not heard of Milka, it's a just delicious chocolate. Delicious. This is $1.69. I'm kind of intrigued that they would put this in here. That's pretty interesting. You want to try one?
No.
Or like a little bit of one?
You want to try it?
I mean, we usually try them. I'll try a little bit, I guess.
Okay.
I'll try all that. Not a big fan of Oreos or mint. Just, personal preference.
It's good.
It smells like mint chocolate chip ice cream. Smell it. And it tastes like an Andes mint.
Yeah, that's why I like it.
This is actually really good. I don't taste any Oreo in here. This is darn good because it's crunchy.
It contains hazelnut paste.
This is good. Okay, I'm gonna hold mine to the side for later because that's delicious. Okay, next thing.
Okay, what do I want to pull out?
I don't know. What do you want to pull out? Okay.
Okay. Oh, let's just hold this.
Ooh, you sell these at work.
This is Quadratini espresso bite-sized wafer cookies.
These are $3.99.
Made in Italy. Look like this.
We sell these at Marshall's. We sell all different kinds.
These are espresso flavor. Espresso.
You say it just like Caleb.
What, espresso?
Let's try them. I'm excited. I've never actually tried these. These remind me of like, you guys have ever seen the chocolate?
I won't be trying these. I'm sorry, I don't like coffee that much. They smell just like coffee.
The chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla little wafers. This is what they remind me of.
And that's nice that they have this little tab right here to like open it and reseal it. That's kind of nice.
You guys, the texture of this tastes just like those, and it is very strong coffee.
Yeah, see, I'm not a big coffee person.
It is really good though. Great grains. Coconut almond crunch.
That sounds amazing.
So this retails for $3.33. That's a very strange price, but this is an entire box of cereal, and it has coconut flakes, almonds, and flakes and clusters in there. That is really interesting. You want to open it and try some?
Sure.
Okay. I'm not a big cereal person because I like to have my toaster pastries in the morning, my breakfast, the like egg and sausage ones. Alright, I got it. First of all, it smells like Raisin Bran.
Oh my god, straight up.
Okay, hold on, 'cause I just saw a cluster in here, look. What is it?
Oh.
Okay, here. I'm gonna get you a
there
flake.
are clusters in there.
A flake, a coconut, and we'll share this cluster because it's huge. Okay, I'm gonna grab a flake and a coconut.
I really like coconut flakes.
Okay, let's try the flake first.
Okay.
That's like sweet flake. Coconut?
Did you just try the... I thought you said the flake, the coconut flake.
Whatever.
Mmm.
Cluster? I don't know what's in here. Almonds? Mm-hmm.
Mmm. So good. It's Gouda. That's really good.
That's
I
really
could
good.
so do that with some milk.
Yeah, she actually would love that with milk. Alright, your turn.
Okay.
That was good, you guys.
I'm taking this. I'm just intrigued. This is in bubble wrap. I think... Oh, this is looks like energy tea. Guayafaya? Guayafia?
I think it's fire, isn't fire?
Guayafaya?
It's from Blueprint.
Like this?
It retails for $2.49. And it says, I'm very interested, it says it provides dual source energy from high functional tea blends and trend forward superfoods, including guayusa tea and turmeric, and cayenne and matcha tea with moringa. Oh, you see, you drink this tea to fuel your body with natural energies, powerful superfoods.
It's green.
It's brown.
Oh, it looks green.
Maybe it is green. It looks brown. Okay,
Oh.
let's try this. I'm very interested in trying it. You're trying it. I had to try the Oreo. You're trying this. You might be pleasantly surprised. It doesn't smell that great, but you'll be pleasantly surprised maybe.
Oh, I don't think I can do it. It's okay. You just try it. I don't want to get sick.
It just tastes like matcha tea.
Not a fan of that either.
It tastes. You've never tried it.
Yes, I have.
This is good though. I bet it would be better if it was cold. Matcha tea is not my favorite. Green tea is not my favorite, but this tastes like both of them mixed together. But like I said, cold, maybe put a little bit of sugar in there, it might be wonderful. Okay, on to the next. What is this little thing?
There's two of them. I'll grab the other one.
There's
Oh,
three.
there's three.
Holy crap. Okay, we've got some Pickle It Fresh Homebrew Quick Pickle Mix. We've got a snappy apple one. Oh, by this is what they look like. Snappy apple one. We have a pickled red onion one. And we have a spicy pineapple one. What are these? These retail for $1.50 each. Did you say babe? I said hey.
No.
It says pickles. Oh, they're for pickles?
Yeah, for pickling.
Okay, but I don't understand what's the apple one for.
It probably tastes like
Oh, wait!
when you pickle stuff.
Yeah, this is just for pickling, but look, you add produce like maybe apples, a pint of water, and then the packet for the snappy apple, and maybe this one you want to pickle some onions, so you'll do some onions in that, and then this one looks like you can put some pineapples and what are these called? Jalapenos. That's really interesting. Okay, I'm interested in this. I'm going to try probably the apple one and probably the pineapple one because I don't like onions.
Why would you pickle an onion?
I don't know, but it says peel and slice onion into rings and then pack into pint jar. Huh.
Interesting.
That might be good. I don't know. Okay, on to the next. This is such an interesting box.
Ooh, we got some milked brown rice. Oh wait.
Huh?
Yeah. I think it's milk. Is it rice in there too?
It's from Elmhurst. It retails for $5.99.
Looks like this, if you guys can see that.
Hold on. It says we're giving you 20 grams of whole grain rice in every glass.
I think there's rice in here too. It kind of feels like there is. It doesn't feel like just milk.
Well, I have no idea actually because it doesn't really say much on here.
So,
well, we're trying it, so open it up. I want to know what's in here. This is such an interesting box. I've never gotten a Degustabox that's this interesting, to say the least. Did you shake it?
no, was I supposed to?
No, I'm just assuming that you have to shake that.
I'll shake it.
It's the product of the month, you guys. I'm so interested in this stuff. Okay, let's try it now. It doesn't sound like there's any rice in there. What if it tastes like, what's that rice milk?
Horchata.
Horchata. What if it tastes like that? It probably doesn't, but you never know. What does it smell like? Milk?
No, it doesn't smell like anything.
No, it doesn't smell like anything. If anything, it smells like cardboard. Are you nervous? You got your lipstick all over
sorry.
it. Do you guys see this red lipstick? That tastes good. That kind of tastes like a more watered down version of horchata, just not as sweet. That tastes good. You know, I'm gonna have a glass of this every morning. Is there actual milk in this?
Probably.
I feel like there is, and I'll have to take a lactose pill.
Feet are
How do you
ready now.
close this?
No, do it again until it clicks. So click.
Oh. Let's see. What does it contain? Oh, here it is. There's no milk in this. The ingredients are only filtered water, brown rice, cane sugar, salt, and natural flavor. I don't even have to take a dairy pill for
My
this.
foot is going down.
Right here, Christina. Look, shake.
What?
Wow.
I saw that after the fact.
After the fact. Okay. All right, my turn. Last thing. We have a 7 days soft croissant peanut. We got one of these before. Not you and I, but Caleb and I. Peanut butter cream and chocolate. We got peanut butter and jelly the last time.
Ooh, that sounds good.
There this is. It was so freaking good. This retails for $1.49. And pretty much the peanut butter and chocolate is in the center of the croissant. So, let's try this. It smells like peanut butter and jelly. For real, smell
It does.
it. Okay, let's tear into the center because that's where everything is going to be at. Caleb and I made this mistake last time where we didn't tear it in the center and we didn't really get much flavoring.
Oh my god, look at that chocolate.
Wow. Okay. That's good. That's a lot of chocolate. But a lot of goodness.
A lot of chocolate.
That's a lot of goodness. I will have to say though, peanut butter and jelly one that we got the last time, or like the last time, it was delicious, okay? This one isn't that bad though. Okay, well,
That's it.
what is your favorite out of all this?
My favorite is...
We got the waffle, we got the Oreo, we got, you like the Oreo?
Yeah.
That's actually pretty good. But that's not my favorite. My favorite is,
Wow.
this is really good, you guys, the milk
Surprise.
brown rice. Okay, well, we hope that you guys enjoy. Let us know down below what your guys' favorite is if you got this box, and if you've tried some of these things, let us know which one you like the most. Give us some tips and tricks on how to cook that waffle. I'm interested. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye. You're gonna sleep with all this on here tonight. Sorry.
Bye.